Okay. It's early March in Edmonton, and we have one mad blizzard going on here. The wind's howling in. This is some mad snow. It's blasting in here. This is one mean winter storm. People on the highways had better be extremely careful. This is one intense blizzard. Oh, it was +4 and sunny and actually pretty mild for an Edmonton winter earlier this afternoon. Now the temperature is dropping to something close to -30. The roads were clear before. The snow is howling in now. March in Edmonton. Lovely weather. Freezing. And it was mild before. Whew. Oh, I'm just gonna move inside here for a sec. Oh. This is one intense winter storm. Ooh. This is crazy. Wild winter weather. Oh, blizzard is really coming in here. It's died down a bit, but it's gonna pick up again. Oh man, that is crazy. There's a little snow tornado in the yard here. Currents of air and the wind are whipping up the snow to create a little vortex inside the fence line here. Quite interesting and unique. Those are some pretty wild winds there. Wow. There's a little snow vortex going on in here. Whoa. That's pretty awesome. A little snow tornado. Oh, wow. That's pretty sweet. A miniature snow tornado created by the enclosure of fences, and the wind just gets funneled right in here. That's pretty unique.